Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to activate voice message transcription on WhatsApp. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my WhatsApp, and then if you want to activate voice message transcription, we need to go to the WhatsApp setting. We can click on these three dots first, and then we're going to select settings. Alright, and go to the chats setting right here. And then you're going to scroll down until you find a voice message transcription. And by activating this feature, guys, you will be able to read new voice messages on your WhatsApp. So you don't need to listen to the voice message. You just need to activate the transcription. Okay, I'm going to click on the toggle button to activate this feature. And then before you activate this feature, you need to choose language. Okay, and unfortunately, there are only 4 languages available right here, and I'm just going to choose my device's language. But actually guys, you can still get the language that you want by changing the device's language. Before you go to the WhatsApp, make sure you have selected the language you want on your device, and I'm just going to use English. Okay, and click on setup now. And make sure you have good internet connection to download the transcript language. And now it's still loading, guys. Hold on. Wait. And I'm going to pause my video and I'll be right back. Okay, now it's done, guys. The transcript language has been downloaded, and then I'm going to show you how we can read voice messages on our WhatsApp. So I'm going to go to my own group chat on WhatsApp, for example this one, and I'm going to show you guys how we can transcribe this voice message. You just need to tap and hold on the voice message like this, and then you're going to go to the 3 dots. Okay, and then you can select transcribe, and you will get the transcription of this voice message. Okay, and this is the result, guys. Okay, it will be so helpful if you don't want to listen to the voice message, but you still want to get the message. So you can use this feature to get what your friends send you. Okay guys, and that's all the way to activate voice message transcription feature on WhatsApp. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video, guys.